How to fix COD Black Ops 4 lag spikes and FPS drops on Windows. 1. Play the game on a wired connection. 2. Update your network adapter driver and graphics card driver using the recommended fast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Assign a higher priority via task manager. Like this. 4. Adjust the in-game Settings. Gameplay VSync, disabled. Menu VSync, disabled. Texture quality, low or medium. Texture filtering quality, low or medium. Special effects quality, low or medium. Anti-aliasing quality, low. Refresh rate, set to the highest value that matches your monitor. 5. Turn off the Windows game mode. 6. Close unnecessary. Programs by WTM.